Alright, so on the A6000 as promised, hopefully the mic is working, because last night when I tried it, I didn't turn it on, and I looked at the footage and everything was good, and then I had a switch or something. I didn't know, but I think I got it now. Anyway, the truck is clean. Next stop is my brother's house, but let's do a quick review. It's got a black leather interior, camera bag in the back. Yeah, it's an old truck. I got it with 94,000 or whatever, 94,000 miles on it, and yeah, whatever. Let's try to swing it at this light. Let's see. Oh, nah, I'm just kidding. It's all-wheel drive, guys. All-wheel drive. Here comes the beast on the way. Look at that thing. He's here. Ooh-wee. E46 air ride, supercharged. I think 490 to the wheels. Beautiful. All right, I guess we're here. That thing's sick. Bing! You going left too? Oh, we're going left. About to get some footage of these guys leaving. Here we go. Loves red.
YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, man.
Second vlog.
Yeah, so I got like a little cargo thing going on. It's stuck. Yeah,
leaving. That is it. That's a wrap for the vlog. Well, for this vlog. My brother tells me my eyebrows look weird, but did you see that? This is Nick. Woo! Dang it. Woo-wee. That sounds sick, guys. All right, rolling out. Ask Trevor which way he's going. We're gonna take contour.
Your first video?
Good.
How do you feel?
I feel like a winner.
That's because
Am I even in the shop?
You're in a winner. Yeah.
A winner chicken dinner. I wish I had paddles. I wish I gotta get
I
paddles.
was a little bit taller.
Hey man, I got a booster seat.
Yes you do.
Fucking penguin.
It's the same color as your chair.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Oh shit, I'm in 8th gear. Look, Jay's messing with that guy. Uh-oh. Here we go.
Can I zoom? How is it?
Yeah. See? Did you figure it out? Definitely in Mexico. It's like a little mini rally right now.
Yeah, he's going to be a little bit more careful with this one.
Yes, of course. I'm going to be a little bit more careful with you. I would have been in front of these guys. I don't have room on the right, no?
No.
Well guys, that's the vlog. Have a good night. X5, you're dope. 1 like, 2 likes. That's the vlog. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe. If you haven't, do it. And I will see you guys tomorrow.